Welcome to NurseHive's forum, The Buzz. The Buzz is designed for the nurse professional. The Buzz is an important tool because it is a direct line to experienced nurses all across America. You can Google anything, but your peers are the best source of helping you make sense of your profession. The Buzz is unique. It is organized so the community can gain insights on the topics most important to nurses. Most forums are simple message boards, but not with The Buzz. Looking for the best nursing gear? The Buzz allows you to go straight to the nurse gear, pick a specific topic like nurse shoes, scrubs, or technology accessories. You can go straight to the topic headers. Use the search bar to the right to filter for your interests. It's easy to ask questions and/or make comments. The details section shows you the entire conversation thread. If you want to get notified when comments are made on your topics of interest, just check the Notify Me box. You will be set up to receive real-time updates, making The Buzz an interactive nurse forum like no other. Get started and register at nursehiveprep.com. It is free and easy to do. Just follow the bee and register now.